Hi students, from three question, the first publication of the SAQ. First question, to whom did the three question occur? The three question occurred to a certain jar. Number two, why did jar want to have the answer to the three question? Answer, the jar believed that if he knew the answer to the questions, he would never fail in any work that he might undertake. Number three, what was the first question of the jar? The first question of the jar was, what was the right time to begin every action? Number four, what was the second question of the jar? The second question of the jar was, who were the most necessary people to listen to? Number five, what was the third question of the jar? The third question of the jar was, what was the most important things to do? Number six, why did landmen come to the jar? Landmen came to the jar to give answer to his three questions, hoping to get the reward that the jar had announced. Number seven, what would the jar give to the man for answering his questions satisfactorily? The jar declared a handsome reward for the person who would answer his questions satisfactorily. Number 8. How would a council of wise men help the jar? A council of wise men would help the jar to fix a proper time for everything. Number 9. Why did some scholar advise the jar to give a council of wise men? Some scholars advise the jar to have a council of wise men with the benefit that they would then advise the jar about the proper time for every one. Number 10. Why did some scholar advise jar to consult a magician? Some scholars advise the jar to consult a magician because a magician could foretell the right time for every action.